Hi, Bestie. Welcome to my page. I am going to do my faith and finances today. I do have $40 that I'll be cash stuffing for the week. And part of it, I do want to go towards my faith and finances because I haven't done any cash stuffing since last month. All right. So first I need to do a cash breakdown. And let's see if I have enough in here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Alright, so that is $20 there. Alright, let's see if I have some more twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Alright, so I do have enough $2 bills that I condensed to break it down. Alright, so now I'm going to let me place this back and then I need to go ahead and get my faith and finances cash envelope. Let me know how you're doing in the chat. Hopefully all is well with you and yours. I truly miss you guys. I miss you so much. I've been taking care of so many different things. Helping my daughter financially. That kind of took up some of my money. So that's why I haven't been cash stuffing. And then I need to do a budget video as well. Alright, so for my faith and finances, I think I'm going to do $20 for my faith and finances, and then I can do the $20 that's left over to catch up on some monthlies for the week. It's just been so much going on. I kind of been overwhelmed, I think I told you guys last month or the month before how I just I've been the go-to when family needs things, and I just been overwhelmed. Things been coming back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And if you're new here, I do have kind of like inconsistent income. I've been looking for employment, and then I've just been deep diving into different things. I'll get into that into another video. Alright, so let me pull up my faith and finances challenges so I can add it to this binder. I do have a new faith and finances freebie that's on Ko-Fi. And then also I do have the bundle that I'm adding right now to this binder that's available on Etsy. So let me go ahead and add these to the binder, but I do want to read the scripture page and the affirmations that's included in this particular bundle. And I'm going to do a roll and save, but let me make sure that I do have some challenges. It looks like I do already have all the challenges that I need in here. So I'm just going to place. Alright, so I ran out of space and didn't even realize it, besties. So I had done the roll and save for several of these challenges already and didn't realize that it wasn't recording. But the challenges that's in this binder today is from Tears and Saver. And this one right here is from Budgets with Elma. Alright, so this one says, Jesus brings purpose, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future, Jeremiah 29:11. And like I said, this is from Budget with Elma. I have her information in my description. Make sure you check out her YouTube page, and she does have a Ko-Fi. Now let me get another marker for this. And so I can go ahead and mark 6 of these off. And so in this binder here for each challenge, I'm doing $1 per circle or per icon on the challenge. And I truly hate that you missed the cash stuffing the other challenges, but that's fine because I do have this great challenge here. And I think I do have one more that I can share, and hopefully I have enough space that you can see. And if you have any faith-based savings challenges, please feel free to leave that information in the comments. Alright. I didn't have my big dot markers in here to dab this. I didn't bring them in here with me for today, so I'm just gonna color these in. And for this month, I did end up doing the scripture based journaling. It's with the one of the challenges I've created, and I've been working on that, and that has been very helpful for me this month of June. Alright, so for this one here, I have $2 left. And this challenge here is made by Tears of Savers. And it has blessed on here from Proverbs 9:11. For through wisdom, your days will be many and years will be added to your life. And let's see. I'm trying to see which marker I want to use. I was going to use this pink marker here. But I'm noticing today when I use the metallic dot markers that I have, the colors are kind of different from what I thought they would be. So I know next time when I do this, I'm gonna have to pull out my other pouch of dot markers. But let me try this color and see how this color looks as I color in the hands for the $2 for this challenge here. So today's challenges that I've done today was from my Ko-Fi shop, my Etsy shop, from Tia's a Saver. Check out her YouTube page and also her Ko-Fi shop, and also Budget with Emma. Check out her YouTube and Ko-Fi, excuse me, Ko-Fi page as well. T and Elma are truly blessings to the community, so please support them. I really love them. I love their energy, and I love what they bring to the community. So definitely support those ladies. All right, so those two are colored in, and that's basically it for the faith and finances. I'm sorry that I ran out of space on my phone to record, so you didn't get to see all of the saving challenges that I was able to complete during this faith and finances. But I did end up saving $20 towards faith and finances for this week, and I'm just so glad to try to get back into the things of cash stuff because I haven't done any cash stuffing in over 4 weeks. Yeah. Because in May, I saved $60 in all for the entire month. Alright, bestie. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Tap the thumbs up, hype my video up, and engage with me in the comments. And I hope you have a super blessed week. Alright, bestie. I'm going to update my budget planner with what I save for faith and finances. And that is basically it. And thank you for supporting my page. Thank you for supporting my Ko-Fi shop using my challenges. Even if you purchase on Etsy or my Shopify, I truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you. You have poured into me and blessed me. And if you did donate towards on the Ko-Fi shop as well, because that's where I do house my freebie savings challenges. And if you donated there, I truly, truly appreciate it. You as well. Hi, Bessie. Toodles.